Customer focused means putting the customer first at all times. I think at RF Technologies, we do that by delivering superior products, superior service, and customizing those solutions to meet the exact customer needs.
So everything that we do, we're very passionate about our end customer. We're very passionate about making what we do matter.
RF Technologies is the pioneer provider of life safety, security, and mass notification.
We're 100% direct to market, so there's a single point of accountability for our customers in terms of who's engineering and manufacturing the products, who's designing it to go into the facility, who's installing it, and who's supporting it.
We are a solution house.
What that means is that every order we ship out is customized for a particular facility.
We design our own products, we manufacture our own products, we install our own products, we service our own products. We're really the only turnkey vendor in the market, and that keeps us laser focused on our customers' needs.
It all comes down to a team that is really working towards ensuring that those that you serve are protected and protected well.
The future for RFT, in my opinion, revolves around software, communication, data collection, predictive analytics, and really allowing our customers to better deliver care for their customers in a more efficient manner and a more effective manner. We sell wander management, we sell nurse call, we sell infant security, we sell staff duress. There's lots of other companies selling those types of products, so the way we can differentiate is to add additional features into our software.
Our customers want us to handle a broader array of their needs, and that's our mission. We have to strive to do that.